Welcome back everyone. In the last video I have discussed how to read values from box. In this video I will discuss how to update the values in box. Let me comment these print statements. Now to update the value in box, again we need to use the put method. Here I am writing b.put, and for the name key initially the value was Tom. As you can see, initially the value was Tom. Now instead of Tom, here I am writing John, and after that I am printing the value from the name key. Now let me run this. Now instead of Tom, you will see that it is printing John. This means the value against the name key is updated. As you can see here, John has been printed. Similarly, suppose I want to update the value against the language key. Then what I will do, I will simply copy this, paste it here. Let me copy this key languages, and instead of John here I am using like Dart and JavaScript. So initially the value of languages key contained the value C, C++, Java. Now I am replacing it with Dart and JS. Fine. After that, let me print it as well. Let me run this, and now you can see it is printing Dart and JS. This means the value has been updated. This is how we can update the value in box. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.